to experience these beautiful islands, turquoise oceans, just the rich culture. I loved it.
It's already good balance. So people can enjoy, swimming pool because we have amazing, beautiful hotel.
To have some relaxation built in has helped us to just spend time enjoying what Thailand had to offer. The Phi Phi Islands are just quintessentially that paradise island that you would picture.
It's beautiful here, good people, it's amazing.
To just see them in their majesty, and it was great that we also knew that these animals were being really well taken care of.
It was amazing, it was the best experience.
Oh, wow.
In Thailand, we have more than 100 dishes that you can try.
Today we have Penang curry. This is how we cut it.
Our main leader is Pookie, and she's really fantastic about making sure that everything is running smoothly, but she's also a lot of fun.
ยินดีต้อนรับสู่ประเทศไทยค่ะ